Hi everyone. I'm here to take you on a virtual open house on the property located at 806 West Ash Street in Lebanon. It's a 3-bed, 2-bath, 2019 built, and it is approximately 1,485 square feet. I'm going to take you on a little tour. Let me know if you have any questions or you want me to zoom in or look at anything further. Here's beautiful colors. Street view. Lots of parking. Let's go inside. Hope you're all having a great day and enjoying the sunshine. It feels so good outside. Cute little entryway. Let's go in. Great spot, great island for entertaining. Nice stainless steel appliances. Huge sink. Look at the sink. I love this island. Dining area. Living room. Tons of natural light too. Little patio out back. Nice sized yards. Nice little patio. They did a wonderful job. Great color schemes. Here's your master bedroom. I love the little entryway here to the closet and the bathrooms. Has closets on either side. Closet on this side, his and hers. This one is bigger, so probably hers. Here's kind of the view from this angle of the master. It's a really good size. And the bathroom. Dual sinks, tons of storage and cabinets. Lots of cabinet space. Shower, walk-in shower with little seats on either side. Go look at the front of the house where the other bedrooms are. Also a little entryway closet, coat closet, shoe closet. Here's the second bedroom here. Good size bedroom. Little vault in the ceiling there. Closet. Yes, it would be great for a home office. The main bathroom here. It's got the tub, toilet. Here's another bedroom, third bedroom. Also has a little vaulted ceiling, which I love. And this is another closet. Take you to the laundry room. Here is the laundry room. Has lots of good cupboard space as well, which is awesome. Storage. Electrical panel and a very nice sized 2-car garage. Great space out here. Please feel free to let me know if you have any questions. And next, I'm going to take you to 800 West Ash Street next door. Both of these are for sale. Please let us know if you'd love more information on them or have any questions. We'd be more than happy to help answer. So we are now going to walk to 800 West Ash Street. It is a 4-bed, 2-bath, built in 2019, 1836 square feet, 0.23 lot. Here it is, right next door. Yeah, the lawns are gorgeous. Lots of parking too. Huge amounts of parking. Nice fence between. Such a nice day. Beautiful lawn space. They did a great job on landscaping. Okay, we're going to walk inside. Walk into a nice little sitting room area. This house is awesome for entertaining. Dining room. Beautiful kitchen. Nice little island in the middle. Pantry. Large sink. I love the big sinks with the windows. Really nice pantry space though. I'll turn the light on for you. Nice, beautiful backsplash. The colors in here are really nice. There is a slider that goes out back right here. Really nice patio. There's some entertaining back here. Some great size lots. Okay, here we go. Little office area. You could use it for whatever you wanted, but it would be a wonderful spot for computer or home office. First bedroom. Very neutral colors in here. Closet right here behind the door. Second bedroom. Closet, and it goes all the way back here too, on either side. Kind of hard to see. Okay. Here's the main bathroom. They put really nice storage in both houses for all your linens, towels. Dual sinks in the main. Really cute light fixtures. Toilet back here in its own little area, so you can still use the sinks out there and mirror. And really nice tall shower head, which is really nice and actually hard to find. Here is the laundry room. The garage. They have really good sized garages. Has a man door outside. Electrical panel. And this, I love this part of this one. TV room, family room, a good spot for gathering for kids. So much space in this house. Tons of natural light and windows. It's the very end of the hallway, kind of back of the house. This could make another bedroom, fourth bedroom, or absolutely could use it as a really great office area as well. And now let me take you to the master. Okay. Give you an idea. Front door. Here is the master bedroom. Yes, it's such a wonderful master bedroom. They did a great job. Large walk-in closet. Let me find a light here. Great shelving space. Little area right here. Kind of give you an idea. It's a really great sized. Really nice flooring and colors. It's very move-in ready. It's ready for its new owners. How about these sinks, though? Dual sinks. More storage. Soaking tub. Also has a walk-in shower. They just did a great job on the layouts of these, on the colors. And I love the sinks. Really cool. Kind of do a little walk through here now to the kitchen area again. Can't you just imagine yourself here? Entertaining family, baking. Thank you so much for coming to our virtual open house. Let us know if you have any questions. You want any more information on either property. We would absolutely love to set up a private showing for you guys while also keeping our 6-foot distance. So thankful for you guys to join me, and please enjoy the nice weather. Have a great day.